hello there, students. We are going to be creating a box here with a second divider going in the opposite direction. This is just an option for your box design. If you want to do this, this would be a fun way to add an extra compartment in there. So let's jump over here to this one that is ready for us to make our new piece there. So we're going to do a linear pattern just like we did before. And we're going to pattern this other piece going this way now. So the direction piece, as we click on that, should be going in this direction now. If you want to freestyle it and just put this box a certain distance away, that is totally up to you. But the distance, and if you want to make more than one, you're welcome to do that as well. If you want to actually find out this length here, is it showing it? It's not showing it right now. You can actually find out the length of that line and divide it evenly. So if you want 3 compartments, you should take that and divide it by 3 minus the 2 times the thickness. And if you want help with that math, let me know and I will give you some more guidance on that. But maybe I want this to be like 1.5. That might be not the best. Let's do 1.25. But anyway, you're going to make it look good and whatever you like there. So the next thing we're going to want to do here is we're going to eventually be able to do a Boolean on this end to cut some holes in there. But this centerpiece is going to have to look a little different because that piece is passing through it in a little bit of a different way. So let's see if we can hide some things. And let's see, I'm going to hide some of these parts. And you can see there that we have this tab that is going halfway through right now, just in the center there. And the quick way to do this, if you already have this, would be to do an extrude and click there, and we're going to say remove, and we're just going to make it go out the top. And I did not do that correctly all the way. So the merge scope should be these 2 pieces. So we're going to be cutting all the way through there, as you can see. Now those pieces will interlock. And now when we go hide everything, or unhide everything, excuse me, we're going to have to start doing our Booleans so that this piece has an opposite fitting piece out of this. So we're going to have to just make sure we're getting all the notches cut that we want using this Boolean tool. And it's always going to be a subtract here. So the tool is going to be the one that is correct right now, which was this piece and this piece. And the targets is going to be that blue piece and also these other end pieces because they don't have their notches cut in them yet. And you know what? While we're at it, we might as well cut the holes correctly in the bottom piece because they're not there yet either. And let's see, it's looking pretty good. Something weird is going on over here though. But when you push, let's see. When you push OK, we had some mistakes there. So first off, the pieces disappeared and deleted. I want to say keep tools. And I'm having some sort of issue that hopefully you do not have, where this is not cutting those holes out. But keep tools, and that should be getting that piece away, but it's not. Let's try that one more time. If it's doing some error like that, do a second Boolean on it. We're going to try subtract. Tools are these pieces, targets, this piece, And it looks like it wants to cut it this time for some reason. If you're having that issue, just try again with a second operation. Make sure we're keeping the tools. And there, it's looking pretty good. And I can see that everything's kind of coming together. I'm just kind of inspecting some things. Notice that this and this are they're different here. So if you don't like that little weird thing there, let's talk about the math for dividing this equally. And just kind of inspecting everything before we keep going here, and make sure that all the holes are cut, and you're going to have your box that has all the dividers in it. So enjoy. Hope you have some questions so I get to talk to you in class. Bye-bye.